Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy lasagna. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First, we make the meat sauce. Put the butter and oil in a pan, bring up to the temperature and add the onions and saute for at least 2 or 3 minutes. When this 2 or 3 minutes is up, time to add the garlic and again mix through. And I've lost count how many of my recipes start like that. Then it's time to add the bacon pieces and continue to fry for another 3 or 4 minutes. When these 3 or 4 minutes are up, it's time to add the beef mince to the pan. Mix the mince well in and continue to cook until it starts to take on some colour, as you can see here. Next we put in the wine. As normal, me and my wife disagreed on how much wine to put in. My philosophy is the more wine you put in the dish, the less you got to drink after. I'm sure she put that last bit in out of spite. When your wife decided how much wine you're putting in, it's time to add the tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, and the crushed stock cube. Then add a good splash of water and thoroughly mix in, before giving it a couple of good gratings of fresh nutmeg. Then turn the pot down to a simmer and allow it to simmer until the right consistency is achieved. Then it's on to making the white sauce. And to do this, melt the butter in a suitably sized pan. When it's melted, add the flour and mix into a roux. Continue to cook off for a minute or two. And when this is done, add the milk splash at a time, whisking continually until a nice creamy white sauce is achieved. How hard can that be? I know some people call it a bechamel sauce. When my mum called it a white sauce, I call it a white sauce. It's a bloody white sauce. When your white sauce is the right consistency, add salt and pepper to taste and you're done. With the meat sauce and white sauce completed, it's time to assemble the dish. And to do that, start with putting a layer of the meat sauce in a suitably sized oven-proof dish. Follow that with the lasagna sheets, and follow that with a layer of the white sauce. And simply repeat these layers until the tray is full, ending of course on a layer of white sauce. The eagle-eyed amongst you will notice we're making 2 smaller ones because we're going to freeze one. But you can of course make 1 large one if you so choose. Anyway, when your last layer of white sauce is done, it's time to sprinkle over the grated parmesan. Then it's off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 45 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this easy lasagna recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one.